This product review is brought to you by Extreme Auto Parts Online Superstore. Solo Performance Cat Back Exhaust Kit for Pontiac G8 V8 models Mach-Shorty. This solo exhaust kit is classed as an American Muscle Performance exhaust kit. This exhaust kit is for the enthusiasts that like a louder car. It has more sound than the G8 Mach-Shorty-Balanced, and is definitely more aggressive both under load and while cruising. Click the links below, then go to Amazon and save, or click the Extreme Auto Parts Superstore link. FO More Extreme Auto Parts. Click the links now.